Welcome back to Investors Cube. In this video we tell you all about our hot price prediction. We have done this before, but make sure to watch this video, as it is our 360 analysis about the holo project including the most recent holo price prediction. Let us know in the comments if you want this more often. And of course don't forget to subscribe. Before we get into the video, we would like to mention that nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. We recommend that you perform a due diligence process before making any decision that could affect your financial portfolio. If you're looking for outside advice, turn to your trusted financial advisor who has a clear picture of your financial situation. That said, let's start with the video. Holo price prediction. When the Holochain distributed app framework received patent approval for the distributed hash table in March 2021, it led to a price increase of hot of more than 4,000%. This eventually stalled at 3 cents on April 5, an instant all-time high. That upward trend did not last long. The price fell until the end of July when hot was still worth $0.004. The recovery after that was not smooth and suffered from the general decline of the crypto world in December 2021. What about holo's 2022 price forecast? We're going to take a closer look at it in this video. Why does a patent approval really make hot? In March, it was announced that holo received a US patent for Holochain's distributed app framework, which caused the price to soar. The most important thing about holo is that the network does not rely on cryptominers or a global ledger for confirmation of transactions, which it normally does. Transactions are logged on individual nodes, making it much faster and more scalable. Apps sent on Holochain do not require an intermediary, and thus users have full control over their own data. Holochain versus blockchain. Holochain is an open-source project, so why would a patent be necessary? Mainly a defensive step, according to the makers of holo. They want to share their technology, but within the context of the Holochain framework, which is open source but guarantees the protection of the end users. France recognizes Holochain as an emerging technology. On August 1, the French Ministry of Culture launched a project for transforming the cultural and creative industries through digital technology in support of innovative projects. In it, Holochain was mentioned as one of the emerging technologies that could help the project. Holochain is being used more and more, and the marketplace welcomes a number of new Holochain applications, apps, almost every month. The framework is designed to provide developers with a cheaper and more scalable alternative to blockchains. Due to the lower costs and faster processing of transactions, it seems to be very popular for this. The ultimate goal of Holochain is a more humane internet, so that the control of companies is reduced. So individuals must have and maintain control over their data. At the same time, it connects and interacts with applications that meet the needs of application hosts without control of centralized entities. Unlike other blockchains, Holochain does not require mining or staking. The energy required to generate holo tokens is extremely small compared to blockchain. This makes it a lot greener than other and traditional blockchains. And also because of the lack of mining, less electricity is used. 0.0315 on April 5, according to CoinMarketCap. Will the hot crypto price rise further towards the end of 2021? Let's take a look at how the analysts view this. Holochain price analysis and analyst sentiment. Holo went public with an offer in April 2018, already 4 years ago. Ultimately, 177.6 billion hot were released, of which 133.2 billion, 75%, was allocated for public sale and another 44.4 billion, 25%, was withheld from the team behind holo. Currently there are 173 billion in circulation according to CoinMarketCap. The company behind holo planned that hot tokens would be exchanged for holo fuel coins in a 1-to-1 ratio. Holo fuel is a currency used by Holochain app providers to pay holo hosts for services. There is no supply limit from holo fuel, but that supply is automatically controlled and thus shrinks and grows. Holo thinks this will help keep the price stable. This is still not possible for many crypto coins at the moment. Holo started to rise in mid-March 2021, before the patent announcement. Since early February, the HOT/USD price has rocketed more than 4,000% from $0.0007 on February 1st to 3 cents on April 5th. Until then, trading was quite flat and dull. 0.007525 on December 15th. But what about now? Holochain, HOT, Price Forecast 2021 to 2028. To analyze the future price of Holochain, let's take a look at some of the latest HOT coin price predictions by the major platforms. Coinpedia's Holochain, HOT/USD, forecast indicated it could reach $0.01232 in the first quarter of 2022. In addition, Coinpedia's analysts expect HOT to trade at $0.1 in 5 years. Trading Beast's analysts predict that the price of holo will reach $0.011 by early 2022 and climb to $0.013 by 2024. Digital Coin came up with a more long-term forecast, but was fairly close to other platforms. They expect a gradual increase from $0.011 in 2021 to $0.015 in 2023, $0.023 in 2025, and finally $0.034 in 2028. Of course, it is difficult to predict cryptocurrency for the long term, but Coinpedia already indicated that holo can increase its adoption rate enormously. And with that, it may just become a success on the new internet. If it further develops its ecosystem, it could be a promising currency for the future. Wallet Investor had few doubts about holo and whether you should buy it or not. It gave a price target of $0.0179 in 1 year and considered HOT a great long-term investment. According to the HOT Price Forecast 2026, the cryptocurrency's price could rise to $0.056 over a 5-year period. Is holo going to rise in 2022 and beyond? Remember that the market is still extremely volatile and difficult to predict. But analysts and other sites say much the same, which is often a good sign. The figures therefore seem to be correct, although they can of course also be quite wrong. That is why we always recommend doing your own research and following the trends in the market yourself. It is also best to do the technical analysis yourself. Of course, expert opinion can be worth a lot, but in the end you make your own choices. So that's our analysis on Holochain's interesting project. Thanks for stopping by to watch. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Make sure the call notification is turned on so you don't miss any new information from us.